Very quick trade recap for Monday, 5th of November. It's a bit of a slow day, couldn't trade much in the morning. So looked in at the PM and came across INUV. Had big gap up, quite a large pullback from the open, and then started grinding back up all afternoon. So started in short for this kind of high of day rejection. Felt like it might just roll over and have a bit of an end of day fade back down to VWAP. So shorted some in here, more into this sort of stuff move, covered some because I did carry this poor average up. And then once I felt like it was backside and it was on its way down, scaled in more, held on tight through this bounce with risk just above high of day, rejected again, came down, so put some more on, and looking just for that wash to cover into. Didn't really come, so started to scale out just so if it did pop at the close, it didn't turn into a bit of a larger loss. So very small win on that one. Happy with the way I traded it. Just a shame I didn't get at least a little wash to cover some into, because I did build quite a nice size position. The other trade was ADOM. End of day spike from nowhere, big volume comes in, so trying to predict that sort of that washout, that parabolic type move for a short to capture that quick pullback, that scalp type move. Felt like it topped out about 0.65, so got in short. Once it sort of confirmed, doubled up to full size. Well, what I thought was full size. It's tricky with these lower price stocks. Got the pullback, covered a quarter, so half into that wash, and then set the rest at break even, which hit just before the close. So small green on that one. Very happy with how I traded that one. The only other trade I've got on is GLBS for a swing. Good looking daily chart for the swing, still on this one. Starting to break down this previous support. This previous high here is at 8.4, so getting to that point where it might just crack. And for me, the next layer of support is at 689, so going to try and cover this into the 7.5 to 7 area. See how it turns out. Okay, thanks very much. Cheers.